This Ford f5jl-12a297-da is a universal electronic spark control, which is used in the LRG-423 2.3-liter industrial engine, which in this particular configuration is used in a Genie Z45/22 lift. This module came to us with no output for the engine, which after a rebuild and replacement of said output stage, we were able to get the module to fully operate. As shown in this video, we designed a dedicated test fixture to fully run this unit so we could properly ensure operation once it was installed in the lift. At ERD, we design new fixtures and test procedures almost daily on a number of product lines, many of which are vehicle controls like this spark module. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.